Hello guys, welcome back. We are just 1 week away from the Galaxy S10 unpack event and the S10 Plus just leaked on live video.
Not again. Oops. God damn it, Sean. Oh, shit.
As we are closing into the Galaxy unpack event, the S10 just keeps popping up online. The S10 Plus this time leaked on video today, and we can clearly see the phone and all the leaks seem to be confirmed. As we can see in the video, there are two camera cutouts in the right top corner of the screen, and we can also see the in-display fingerprint scanner in the video, for which the screen protector seems to have a huge cutout. This year, Samsung used the ultrasonic fingerprint scanners on the S10 and S10 Plus, and this type of fingerprint scanners seem to have a problem with anything stuck on the screen. So they have decided to make that huge hole in the screen protector. This might not be a problem for people that don't use any screen protectors on their phone, but surely it will bother everyone else. Although the phone will use Gorilla Glass 6, if it's going to fall in the exact spot where the fingerprint scanner cutout is, the screen might get cracked or even the sensor might suffer. We'll have to wait and see how this will turn out and what fun reception it will get. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy S10 Plus screen protector in the comments below. Also today, Samsung officially unveiled on their website that the smaller Galaxy S10 will be called Galaxy S10e. As we are closing into the event, there will surely be more updates to come in the following days. To don't miss any of them, don't forget to subscribe as I will cover them all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.